My name is Marla Fernandez, and I just wanted to come on live and let you know some of the reasons why you should buy doterra dish pods and why I love them so much. These dish pods are more potent than the Cascades. It leaves your dishes spotless, a high quality product, chemical free. And it works even if you have a septic tank in your septic tank. Use one pod and your dishes come out spotless. All natural ingredients, fragrance free. Excel at removing grease from your dirty dishes. In my testing, it effectively whisked away particles from your dishes and left your dishes spot-free of detergent residue. This complements your rinse-free aid. Comes in dissolvable little packs. No need to unwrap it. The only drawback is that it's a little bit expensive. Each bag has 13.7 ounces, so it's equivalent to a 16-ounce bag of Cascade.